Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to make a video overlay on CapCut PC. This is very simple and very easy. Let's get started. First, put the media onto the timeline. This is your main media, and then drag to the overlay onto the main media. Adjust the size. After that, you can adjust the overlay on the screen wherever you want. You can even rotate the overlay, adjust the position, and then go to the basics, go to the blend, click the drop down and select brighten, and here you can increase or decrease the opacity as per your preferences. Next you have to add the keyframe. So this is the starting point where you have to add the keyframe. Click on the diamond button. Here is the position and click the diamond button. It will add the keyframe, and this is the starting point. And now move the cursor to the point where you want to place the overlay. For example here, and change the position of your overlay. You will see that there is automatic keyframe added. Now rotate the media and change the position, and you will see that there is a keyframe added. Now again change the direction from here to there and on the ending point, and change the overlay position. So let's play it how it's work. And here you can see that your overlay is moving. So in this way, you can easily overlay the video in CapCut PC. I hope you understand the video, and if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.